Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a few things going on. We were going to take Mila to the splash pad with one of my friends. I gotta run and pick up groceries. I don't know what else we have to do, but that's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna go pick up the groceries, and I think Mila just woke up, but she's gonna stay with Jamie while I grab the groceries and bring them back. And then I think we might go over to my friends before we go to the splash pad and let them play for a minute, and then we'll head to the splash pad. So we're gonna get started. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and ring the little notification bell so you're notified when I upload. It helps me out so much if you subscribe. If you like this content, then give it a thumbs up and let's get going. And I don't think I have shared. Keys would be nice. I can't go anywhere without those. Anyways, what I was saying, I don't think I've shared on my channel. I've shared on Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, go follow me on Instagram. I post a lot, mostly of Mila, but I got a new car, and this is my absolute favorite car that I think I've ever had. It is so pretty. I've wanted an Expedition forever. I love the color. Fun fact, we actually went to look at a different Expedition, and they had sold it like that morning. So we ended up, they ended up looking to see if they had anything else, and they had this one. So when we were doing all the paperwork and everything, getting everything set up for this one, they told us that the original purchase date was 2/26 of 19, which is funny because February 26th is my birthday. So I think this car was meant to be for us, and it is my absolute favorite. I'm just in love with it. So yeah, fun fact of the day. But if you're interested, this is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. It's messy right now, but I love it. There's so much room. Mila has more room. The biggest thing with my I had a Toyota RAV4, and the biggest thing with that one was when Mila was in the back seat in her car seat, it leaned so far, which I know isn't gonna last forever, but we needed more room anyways, because we went to the beach and packed this sucker full. I mean, if you watched my beach vlog, you saw how packed it was. But the biggest thing was that when she was back there in her car seat, this seat had to be so far up that you were like in the dash. So this one doesn't do that, and we love it. But anyways, I'm rambling. Let's go get the groceries. grocery haul. We were out of a lot of stuff. So we'll start with the meat. Jamie is not a big fish person, but I've tried mahi-mahi before and I like it. And he requested that we try some more fish because he's trying to branch out. So we got some mahi-mahi. We got some steak because we're going to make fajitas. Some chicken for our salads that we make for lunch. Some corn, some more frozen chicken because we were out. We got some pastas, some quinoa, brown rice, some plain yogurt. I use this for sour cream, and it also calls for it in a recipe that I'm making this week. Cottage cheese. I got some half and half for my coffee. A little thing of milk. We got some bread, some tortillas. I got a ton of black beans because we go through this like crazy. We make tacos like once a week, so we go through a lot of black beans. Some enchilada sauce for one of the meals I'm cooking this week. Some canned chicken breast, bacon, fajita seasoning. We needed some more fast flow nipples for Mila's bottles, so we got that. I need to wash those. I got some grapes. Oh, my camera's about to die, of course. Some sun-dried tomatoes. Also for a recipe, we got some bananas, some strawberries, some bell peppers, some lime, lettuce, cheese. Of course, we are a big cheese family. And then some eggs. So I usually put most of my eggs in here, and then I got 2 packs this week so that I could boil a pack and keep a pack for if we were wanting some eggs or if a recipe called for it. So that's all for the grocery haul, I think. I don't think I missed anything. But yeah, I'm gonna put all this up and then we'll see where we're gonna go now. Okay, so Mila is getting a little fussy, so I'm gonna make her some lunch, and I figured I would show you guys what I make her. So I usually, this little plate is my favorite, just because it's easy and it's easy to clean up. So this is what, oh, okay, that's very crooked. This is what I usually do for her. As you can hear, she's over there beating. So I usually just grab like a little piece of lunch meat. Today we're just gonna do kind of whatever we have. But I usually get like a little piece of lunch meat and like tear it in half, because that's usually all she'll eat. And then I just roll it up. That way she can grab it. And I'll just do that. And then I have some cucumbers already cut up. So I cut these in like little finger length spears. So I'll give her like 2 of those because she really just kind of plays with them. And then a piece of cheese. And I don't give her the whole thing. I just do like, I don't know, 1/4 of it, half, third, I don't know, division. And then this banana's mostly for me, but she's gonna want some of it. So I'll just pull her a little piece off. So I'll just give her like a little bit of it. Sometimes I'll, if you like push on it, it tears into thirds, and sometimes I'll do that. But today, I'm not feeling it. So we're gonna take this and put her bib on because it's messy. Are you messy? Let's put your bib on. Let's roll your sleeves up. Okay. There you go.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless. speechless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss.
Okay, I'm so out of breath. She's getting so heavy with that car seat and all the stuff I just had to bring out. But anyway, so we are now in the car. Mila's back here. Let me turn her air on back there. Yeah, so we're in the car. We're gonna drive around and see if she'll take a little bit of a nap. And then we're gonna head to my friend Alyssa's house and play with her little boy and go to the splash pad and have a blast. So hopefully y'all enjoy, and thank you for hanging out with us today. What do you think, pretty girl?
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now.